Hello guys, I'm Super Ron, welcome back to the G Unit. We're waiting for a few parts on the kit car at the moment, so to give you guys something to watch, I thought this week we'd revisit the sticker wall. So I have already actually done a video on building the sticker wall, but that was many moons ago, and thanks to the kit car build, my subscriber count has now absolutely quadrupled. So there's many of you that haven't seen any details on the sticker wall. So I thought I'd just give you a little refresh, and also I've got lots of stickers to fill in all these empty spaces. When I built the sticker wall, I had all these stored up. I was never really one to put stickers on my car, so I've got all the stickers that used to come with magazines, all the stickers that came with car parts, modified car parts that you buy. They always come with a sticker from different companies. All the ones that used to come free, all the ones to go up on your doors, the Fast Car, Max Power, Total Vauxhall, Performance VW, Redline. All of these, I've just had them sitting in a drawer for years and years, and finally I thought I'd do something with them and get them up and build a cool sticker wall. Also over here, these are all the car forums that I used to be involved in, and every year through your subscription you'd get a new sticker through, but I tended to keep my cars for quite a while, so each one only had one car, so I had a drawer full of stickers there. And also more recently, all the ones along the bottom and sort of dotted all around are all other YouTubers that I like to watch. So there may be some that you like to watch as well, and you'll see them around when we look a bit closer. But for now, let's look at the new stickers that I've collected since building the sticker wall. And here are all the new stickers that are going to fill in the gaps. I sent a load of emails out saying, I've got a cool sticker wall, do you want to be in it? And a load of companies got back to me. Kent Cams sent me this huge batch, massive stickers, so they'll be filling in some gaps. Same with SBD, they sent me these really nice ones out. I've got SBD cams going in the kit car. And Regal as well, I used to use them a lot back in the day. The only place you could get F28 synchro rings, which I needed. And also the Loco guys. I've known these guys for a long time, way before they were famous. And they've hooked me up with loads of cool stickers. And Audi Sport, that's another forum I'm with my RS6. And I found a few other stickers hanging around that I forgot to put up the first time. A few GoPros, the Innovate, a few Vauxhall Griffins. I've got some Tamiyas, because everyone in my family's got a Tamiya King Blackfoot. So I've got a few of them to represent. Some new Auto Shack stickers. And Graham at Car Crazed Customs, there's vinyl wrapping as well. And also I've still been working on cars. So we fitted some Driftworks arms to a 300ZX not long ago. And a SX Turbo, H&R springs, Maxton design, and a few other bits and pieces. And I've got Cletus's new Freedom Factory stickers, bringing things up to date. And also bringing things up to date, I've got Hoonigan's Sick Car, a new Hoonigan. And also Colin Furs has finally brought out some stickers. Me and my son Alfie love watching him. We watch him every week whenever his videos come up, so they'll be going up on the wall. So Alfie's going to appreciate that. So let's get these on and fill in the gaps. And so I think we can officially say that the sticker wall is completely filled up. That's an 8 by 6 foot sheet, and I think we've got every inch, every corner is now filled up. That's taken me absolutely ages to get that last little bit in. That's flown by on you on the time lapse, But for me, that was a good 2 hours work, and it was getting more and more difficult the more I did. And fitting the last few in, I even had to cut some of them up just so they didn't overlap. But I'm really pleased with the sticker wall. I love it in the workshop. It always grabs people's attention and they spend ages looking there, noticing more things as they look for longer and longer. I'm so glad that I kept the older stickers. Some of them have been sitting in the drawer for over 20 years, like the Max Power ones and the Fast Car ones. And there's like the 10-year anniversary, the Max Power Live 2003, 2001, Total Vauxhall Live. It's all great memories for me. So if you recognise any and where you had them, if you had them on your car or on your workshop, or if you had a sticker wall, make sure you let me know in the comments, because I'd love to know where you were when you were getting the stickers. And likewise, I guess we've got all the same taste. These are all the YouTubers that I watch at the bottom, so they come highly recommended. If you see any that you're not yet subscribed to, I'd go and check them out. They're all car ones, go-karts, cars, boats, all sorts of different things. There's some of the obvious ones, but there's some smaller channels which are absolutely fantastic. I love watching them all. And I apologise again for not getting any kit car content out this week, but we're waiting for some parts. So hopefully this has still kept you nicely entertained. And next week we can get back on with the kit car. It's going to be a fabrication episode, so make sure you tune in for that. But until then, make sure you have fun.